Watermelon is a large, typically round or oval fruit with a thick green rind and juicy red or pink flesh. Its sweet flavor varies by variety, with some types containing seeds while others are seedless. Due to its high water content and rich supply of health-boosting nutrients, watermelon not only satisfies thirst but also aids in weight management, promotes eye health, and supports muscle recovery. 1. Keeps you hydrated. Water is essential for your body to remove waste, lubricate joints, and regulate temperature. When you lose too much fluid without replenishing it, dehydration can occur, leading to symptoms like fatigue, dizziness, dry mouth, and confusion. With 91% of its content being water, watermelon is an excellent choice to help keep you hydrated. 2. Maintains your weight. Thanks to its high water content and low caloric density, watermelon can enhance feelings of fullness and aid in weight management. In a small study, participants who consumed watermelon daily reported greater satiety for up to 90 minutes compared to those who ate a low-fat cookie. Additionally, they experienced weight loss and improvements in key risk factors for heart disease. 3. Supports eye health. Watermelon is a good source of vitamin C. Observational studies found that higher vitamin C may reduce the risk of cataracts, when the normally clear eye's lens becomes cloudy. The vitamin A in watermelon also is essential for healthy eye development, especially in retina health, dim light vision, and color vision. 4. Boosts immune system. Vitamin C has long been recognized as crucial for immune system function. Insufficient vitamin C intake may lead to impaired immunity and a higher risk of infections. The citrulline in watermelon has potential antioxidant and vasodilation, widening of blood vessels, roles in our bodies. 5. Relieves muscle soreness. The citrulline in watermelon plays a key role in boosting nitric oxide production, which enhances blood flow and increases oxygen delivery to muscles. This can potentially improve exercise performance and alleviate muscle soreness. Additionally, by reducing ammonia levels, watermelon helps prevent muscle fatigue and the buildup of lactate, which are common causes of post-workout discomfort. While further research is necessary, a small study showed that participants who consumed natural watermelon juice experienced better recovery heart rates and reduced muscle soreness 24 hours after exercise. 6. Aids skin health. Several nutrients in watermelon can support skin health. Vitamin C is mandatory for producing collagen, a protein that keeps your joints healthy and your skin plump and firm. Lycopene may also help protect the skin against damage caused by ultraviolet, UV, radiation from the sun. 7. Improves digestion. Watermelon's high water content, combined with its small amount of fiber, may offer benefits for digestive health. Water plays a crucial role in digestion by ensuring food moves smoothly through the intestines and aiding in the breakdown of nutrients for absorption. Meanwhile, fiber, a non-digestible carbohydrate, helps prevent constipation and promotes regularity. It also aids in clearing out bacteria and other buildup in the digestive tract, contributing to overall gut health. Watermelon is a hydrating fruit rich in vitamins A and C, as well as lycopene and citrulline. It has the potential to aid in exercise recovery, weight management, digestion, and eye health. However, more research is needed to fully confirm these benefits. Those with migraines or digestive issues like IBS should be cautious, as watermelon may trigger symptoms in some individuals.